have the diva of Bollywood, the fashionista with us, Sonam Kapoor. Yes, ma'am, you can just come on. Hi, ma'am. Okay, and we have Mr. Sunil. He's the head of marketing team of Reliance Home Videos and Games. So can we have Mr. Sunil? Hi, Sunil, sir. Please settle down so that we can start. Okay, ma'am, you can have a seat. Yes, sir, even you can have a seat. Okay, launching the DVD of Disney's Khoobsurat. Within few minutes before that, I would like Sunil. Guys, please calm down so that Sunil sir can start speaking.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I'd like to thank all of you to join us here for this event where we will launch the home video of Khoobsurat. This is one product that is coming to us again from the UTV Disney team, and we are thankful to them for having us as their partners. Khoobsurat is a movie of enduring values and some endearing performances, and that makes it an ideal product as far as repeat value is concerned. And therefore, we are very sure that the DVD would be something that people would want to have on their library collection. Once again, thank you for being here.
Okay, so we have a small token of love from our end, which I would request you to give. Ma'am, this is just a small token of love from our end. Okay, so now we'll have Sonam ma'am who will be sharing us a little bit of about the movie and your thoughts.
Hello everybody, thank you for making it here. I'm extremely proud to launch the DVD of my film Khoobsurat. It's a film that, like he said, has enduring values, and it's something that has really, I've had a great time making the film, and it's done very well. It's been accepted by the audience, and hopefully the DVD sales are amazing as well. And thank you for being here and helping me launch my DVD. Okay, thank you.
Okay, so now we'll have the DVD launch. Thank you so much, Sonam ma'am. Thank you so much, Sunil sir. And before we launch the DVD, I would request Mr. Ajay Kulkarni. He is the head of operations of Planet M, to be a part of the DVD launch here. Yes, Ajay sir, please come on stage. Hi. Yes, guys, we are about to unveil the DVD of Disney's Khoobsurat. Please, guys, keep calm.
अरे अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है दरवाजे को कुंडी मारो कोई ना बच के जाने पाए डीजे को समझा दो म्यूजिक गलती से भी रुक ना जाए थका थका जो फील करे वो जाके दो रेड बुल गटक ले जिसको डांस नहीं करना वो जाके अपनी भैंस चराए
बस आज की रात है कल से वही से पे है जी भर के नाच लो ना घर वाले ना मापे हैं सब पे अपना राज है डरने की क्या बात है ये तो बस शुरुआत है ये तो बस शुरुआत है
अरे अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है दरवाजे को कुंडी मारो कोई ना बच के जाने पाए डीजे को समझा दो म्यूजिक गलती से भी रुक ना जाए थका थका जो फील करे वो जाके दो रेड बुल गटक ले जिसको डांस नहीं करना वो जाके अपनी भैंस चराए
बस आज की रात है कल से वही से पे है जी भर के नाच लो ना घर वाले ना मापे हैं सब पे अपना राज है डरने की क्या बात है ये तो बस शुरुआत है ये तो बस शुरुआत है
अरे अभी तो पार्टी शुरू हुई है अपनी भैंस चराए।
बस आज की रात है कल से वही से
Okay, guys, so you people have one-on-one conversation with Sonam ma'am right here. So any queries from the media? Anyone from the media want to ask questions? You people are welcome.
I'm so sorry for the non-clarity. The floor is open for questions. So, thank you. Because वो पाकिस्तान में रहते हैं तो issues होता है बॉम्बे में इतने जल्दी आना नहीं आना तो we're going to try and figure out for him to come for some other stuff.
सोनम आपकी और
Sorry.
आपकी और फवाद की जोड़ी ने एक दूसरे को अच्छा लगा उसके बाद क्या होगा दोनों की जोड़ी एक साथ देखी थी
Yeah. जी जी वो तो दिल्ली बहुत दूर है बहुत टाइम है जब अनाउंसमेंट आएगी तो वो प्रोडक्शन कंपनी से आएगी आई एम नॉट अलाउड टू टॉक अबाउट माई फ्यूचर प्रोजेक्ट्स स्पेशली विद माई सिस्टर्स कंपनी without them giving an official statement. It's completely unethical. So I will not comment on it till it's an official statement from the production company itself. Thank you. Hanji? Is get up. Thank you. जी ये मेरा लुक है आज डॉली की डोली 12th को हम ट्रेलर लॉन्च करने वाले हैं मुंबई में एंड मैं बहुत ही एक्साइटेड हूँ क्योंकि ये भी एक और ऐसी फिल्म है जिसे बनाते वक्त मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया एंड आई एम प्राउड टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ अनदर ग्रेट प्रोडक्ट एंड होपफुली आई विल ऑल्सो बी लॉन्चिंग द DVD ऑफ दैट नेक्स्ट ईयर विद अ लॉट ऑफ फैनफेयर एंड हैप्पीनेस जी खास 6 बहुत कम नंबर दिया गया है जी डॉली की डोली फिल्म जो है अभी उसकी फिल्मिंग ख़त्म हुई है वी हैड टू हिट सर्टन डेडलाइंस एंड सिंस देर आर सो मेनी एक्टर्स सच बिजी एक्टर्स इन द फिल्म I have to act with all of them. So I was doing almost 2.5 to 3 shifts every day to make sure that I could do work with Raj and with Pulkit and with Varun and Zishan. There's so many actors to get them all in those 10 days so I had to do 2.5, 3 shifts every day. I was almost working 22 hours a day, 20 hours a day, sleeping for 4 hours. ताकि shooting खत्म हो और अच्छे से हो. Thank you. Which is my best movie till now? Aisha is one of my favorites, but I think all of them are special. It's like asking me which is my favorite. I think it starts with Aisha, Ranjana, Delhi 6, Khoobsurat now, and Dolly Ki Doli as well. I think each film that I've been a part of, from Savariya till Khoobsurat, which is my last film, I haven't done many films, but whichever movie that I've done, I'm proud to say that I've been a part of it. I don't know if I've done justice to the role. I just know that I've worked very hard, and that's very kind of Arbaz to say something like that. I'm very happy when my producers and my directors are happy, and I'm very happy when they decide to repeat me. I have great relationships with all the directors and producers I've worked with. I give it my 100%, and that was very nice of him to say something like that. Very sweet, huh? Thank you. Well, I don't know about box office figures, but I know that when you get appreciated, it's always important. And if a film is termed successful, it just makes you, in the eyes of the media and the eyes of the film industry successful. And you get better films to work on after that. And the kind of films that I want to do, it's important for films like Khoobsurat and Dolly Ki Doli and Ranjana to be successful for me to do the kind of films that I want to do. And so it's important to me. It's important that the films do well and they make the money they're supposed to make. They might not be making 100, 200 crores, but they make a profit and they're termed as hits. And even if I'm doing it in my own little way, I hope I'm doing a good job.
Sonam, just allow me to ask you one more question. Since you have been always supported the cause for women, हम लोग आज भी देख रहे हैं कि 8 दिन रह गए हैं 16 दिसंबर के, लेकिन अभी भी क्राइम अगेंस्ट वुमेन होता है. जैसे दिल्ली में अभी एक कैब के अंदर a woman was assaulted.
Yes.
So what's your reaction कि जो एक authorized cabs होते हैं उसमें भी women safe नहीं है अब?
Honestly, obviously, जो हुआ है वो बहुत ही खराब और भयंकर. It's an awful thing to have happened, 150%, and women are just generally not safe. Bombay में we have a little bit of, we are not as bad as they are off in Delhi. I know that क्योंकि on Saturday night I was out and I had taken a cab back home. I had taken an Uber back home and I reached home safe. But honestly, it's not the fault of the cab companies or the cabs or anything. It's the fault of the government in a lot of ways, according to me, because they've given a clarification, a character certificate, right, to the cab driver, if I'm not mistaken. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes. So the punishment and the rules have to be more stringent from the government side. Are you saying that if a rape takes place in a public transport vehicle, they're going to ban public transport? So I think it works either way. It's the niyat insan ki change honi chahiye. You can't ban things saying that we have to ban this, we have to ban that. लड़कियों को छोटे कपड़े पहनने में भी बैन कर लो कि ये कपड़े मत पहनो ऐसे, मतलब दे आर सेइंग कि ये लड़की सो क्यों गई कैब में. You know, when the Nirbhaya thing happened कि अरे why did she go for a late night movie? वो बस में क्यों चली गई? Why did she go into a private bus? Why are we even asking these questions? It's that why is a man acting like this? That is the question that needs to be asked. Not that it happened in an Uber cab. It's like, why was a man like this? It's how we bring up our children. It's how we bring up our men in our country. That's the question that we should be asking. We are protesting against the wrong thing. We should be making people aware of being, we should be making, first of all, mothers need to bring up their men in a certain way कि ये तेरा लाडला है पर ये लाडला भी पागल हो सकता है. And do not make him into this, put him up on a pedestal. He needs to learn from a young age that you need to treat a woman right. And a woman is not to be treated like an object and not to be treated badly just because she's a woman. So that needs to be taught to the child since a young age. It's the way that the men in our country have been brought up. That is what is wrong with the country. It has nothing to do with anything else. According to me, that is the basic issue. So when we solve that issue, all these things will not happen. So by banning things, by, you know, going after certain things, that, yeah, to a certain extent, there will be a little bit of safety that, you know, we're not going in a cab. But how long can we keep doing that? That means we don't go for late night movies, we don't go to a pub, we don't have late nights. You know, I don't know, there's a lot of issues, and this is a very superficial way of trying to solve something. There is a deep-rooted cause for it, and that needs to be solved first before we say, ban Uber, ban buses, ban tinted glasses, we're not allowed to put tints on a vehicles. Okay. Now, for someone like me, I'm traveling in a vehicle, and there are men most of the time just staring into my car all the time. So that's okay. When men are looking at me with a dirty gaze, that's fine. That tinted glass actually saves me from that. So there are pros and cons to everything. That's all I'm trying to say. So it's not about making rules and having rules and banning things and doing that and doing this. It's about trying to change the nature of the way Indian men think. I think that's the basic issue.
Thank you, Sonam.
Thank you.
Much appreciated. Much appreciated. Much appreciated.
Yeah. I'm not going to answer that question. I think both of them are different in their own way. Arbaz, both of them tease me a lot, but both of them are different projects. You know, one is with Arbaz. I signed Prem Ratan before I signed Dolly Ki Dolly, and the reason I can do films like Dolly Ki Dolly and Khoobsurat, etc., is because I've done a film like Prem Ratan Dhan Payo with the Salman Khan. So both of them are very important to me in different ways. And Arbaz will always be my favorite producer. Not that I'm saying that Arbaz is my favorite Khan brother, but I love both of them equally.
सोनम
Okay,
ये
thank you
खूबसूरत
so
जोड़ी सोनम यहाँ
Last question. guys.
Thank you so much, guys. Thanks a lot.
one second सोनम यहाँ
हाँ
आप-
जी
your
हाँ जी
right.
बोलिए one last one. You were just here. You can't blame anybody. That's what I'm trying to say. Yeah, but the women need to stop objectifying themselves. That's what I was trying to say. Yeah, it's like when you go into I'm not saying that don't you wear whatever you want, do whatever you want, but don't try to sell yourself as a sexual object. Then people will not. I'm not saying that you don't wear a swimsuit and you don't do this and you don't do that, but if you're going to behave in a certain way, then certain people look at you like that. But it has nothing to. I don't know how to explain it. It's like when we see a kiss in a Hollywood film and we see a kiss in a Bollywood film, it's how we look at it. It has nothing to do with what is portrayed. It's बोलते I don't know, my grandmother said कि किस नज़र से आप देखते हो. अगर आप बुरी नज़र से देखते हो तो वो बुरा ही लगेगा आपको. अगर आप अच्छी नज़र से देखोगे तो it's actually the mindset of the people that needs to change. You can't say, are you saying that the way Helen danced is different from anything else? It's just the mindset of the people of that time. They do not look at it as something cheap. If we look at it as something cheap, then it becomes cheap. If we do not look at it as it being cheap, then it's not cheap. I don't know how to explain it. It's like it's just a mindset. I remember when we were doing the silent protest. I think you were there with me. I think at that point, I don't know who was there with me. And at that point also, somebody asked me. I said, "It's how we bring up our children. It's how at the end of the day, the mother brings up the son." And we need to bring them up like the way my brother is brought up. My father always gave me and my sister preferential treatment to say that this is how you have to treat the women, to make sure. My brother is more ambitious for my career than I am for myself. If I tell him, hush, I'm going to get married and go away, he's like, there's no need for you to get married, yeah? Why are you thinking like a old-fashioned person? You understand? So you have to bring up your child in a certain mindset, and then things will change. It's about education. It's about awareness. It's about us as Indians changing our mindset. That women are maybe as capable or better than men. And that's what we need to tell everybody, including not only men, even women need to start believing that and start thinking that. That's when the change happens. Because we are our own enemies. Women are the worst enemies of women. So once we start believing it, then everybody around us will start believing it.
ओके सोनम खूबसूरत जोड़ी हमें ये फिर से देखने को मिलेगी.
Hopefully. Thank you.
Thank you so much, guys. One last photo up for photographers. Solo photo up.
Thank you so much, everyone. Thanks a lot, Sonam ma'am, Sunil sir, Planet M, Disney. Thanks a lot, and we conclude the show right here. We have some refreshments from our end.